In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your GoDaddy website in just 5 minutes. Getting your website online is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's dive right in. The first thing we want to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, head to the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is where you'll manage all things related to your website. You'll see a dashboard containing all the websites you've created or are currently working on. Next, find the specific website you're looking to publish. It should be listed among your projects. Once you've spotted it, click Manage. This action will open up a more detailed view of your website settings and options. Now, it's time to tap into the creative part. Look for the option that says Edit Website. Clicking this will launch the GoDaddy Website Builder, which is a user-friendly platform where you can let your creativity flow. Here, you can make all the necessary changes to your website, tweak the content, adjust the design, and restructure the layout. Remember, making sure your website reflects the message or brand identity you want to broadcast is crucial. Once you're done with the editing, let's turn our focus to previews. You'll want to ensure that everything looks just right before the world sees it. On the Website Builder interface, there's a handy preview feature. This tool allows you to view your site exactly as it will appear once it's live. Even more impressively, it lets you switch between desktop and mobile views. This is key because ensuring a consistent and appealing look across all devices will enhance user experience. Take a moment to thoroughly inspect both versions. If something seems off, feel free to go back and make further adjustments. Feeling satisfied with how everything looks in preview? Great, you're ready for the final step, publishing your website. On your Builder interface, you'll spot a button labeled Publish. Clicking this button signals to GoDaddy to make your website live on the internet. Once published, it means anyone with the link can access your site. And there you have it. Your website is now live for the world to see. It's gratifying, isn't it? Remember, even after publishing, you can always revisit and update your site whenever you deem necessary. This flexibility ensures that your site stays current and continually reflects the best version of what you want to present. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helped you get your GoDaddy website online effortlessly. See you in the next video.